So, noong October 22, 2022, I don't know for whatever reason, hindi ko na-save yung files or I'm not sure, nag-delete ko yata yung folder. Hindi ko na alam. Pero this is the record of my steps on my phone. So, October 22, 2022, Saturday, we got 11,465 steps just by walking around Megamall. So, unbox natin yung AirPods Pro 2nd Gen and kumpara natin dito sa AirPods, old AirPods Pro 1st generation. So, it's been 3 years after nitong AirPods Pro 1st Gen. So naman lumabas yung 2nd generation. And so, ito yung main difference niya. So, yung main difference niya is, well, with the active noise cancellation, Apple is claiming na times 2 stronger. And second, yung chip na ginamit from H1 naging H2, from Bluetooth 5.0 naging Bluetooth 5.3, from 4 sensor controls, there's now a skin detect sensors for ear detection. The water resistant properties is still the same. IPX4 with battery life, a big boost from 4.5 hours of listening time to up to 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation. Okay, so from 24 hours of total listening time to 30 hours of total listening time with charging with the MagSafe charging case. Okay, and the MagSafe charging case is now compatible with Apple Watch charger. So, yun yung main difference. Unbox na natin para makita natin yung physical difference ng dalawa. Okay? So, the documentation, this one is the unit, yung air tips, and then the charging cable. Oh, ano to? Oh, hindi siya braided as compared with my trackpad and keyboard, which is braided. This one, the lightning cable is not braided, which is a what's negative, not a plus. Lightning to USB, not braided, negative point. So physically, okay. Ooh. Shit. So the front, same. Bottom, oh, there's a, I don't know, a hole there, a hole on the right, and 3 holes on the left. Well, mainly it's for the sound notification when you activate and find my device. Okay, and there's now a lanyard hole for attachment. Basically the same. Okay. Okay. Pause. Okay. Physically, same. The right, the left, same. Almost the same. So yun na muna. I'm not an expert when it comes to sound quality or testing the AirPods. Basta magamit ko siya sa work ko, okay na. So that's it. Short unboxing. Wala naman difference. Well, sabi niya, with the second generation, you have yung touch control for volume adjustment. So, ita-touch mo lang siya. As compared with the first generation na wala. Okay. So, that's it. Bye.